guys, it's Cheryl with WTI, and we have a pool and we need to get pool cartridges. These are filters that go in your pool pump and they help to filter out any debris or anything so that you have nice clean water. We go with a company called Poolpure, and I'm really loving the filters that they provide. As you can see, it's a filter cartridge, but see how good the weaving is? It's a nice durable material. Everything came nice and uniform, no dents or dings in any of the folds here. It comes with 4 bands, and so what happens with the filters, you actually can wash them. So you get them, they want you to rinse it out probably every 2 weeks to a month, just to make sure that it stays nice and clean so that it can filter out the water for you very nicely. This one is one that we have used in the past, and it has done really good for us. It goes right in your pool pump. On the website, it actually shows you how to measure which pool filter you need for your pool pump. But overall, this has been a really great filter. I will show you where we put it in our pool pump. Every pool pump's different, so you'll have to do the measurements for yourself. But if you use a filter cartridge, this Poolpure is a very inexpensive filter that does a great job for your pool. That is just my point of view though.